Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am the Detail Hot Lap and we'll be doing a short video on how to remove a front bumper off a Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2. So this involves the Laredos, the Limiteds, the Trailhawks, and the Overlands. This doesn't entail the SRTs, the Trackhawks, or the Summit models. I don't know if it's a similar process, but I just know how to take off this one, and that's why I'm doing a video on this. So I have the lower fascia already uninstalled from the vehicle. I do have another video on that. If you want to check that out, that'd be great. If you're wanting to remove the full bumper to access what's behind it, this is a video for you. So we're going to take this off, and then we're going to do some maintenance and then put it back on, but I do not show you how to put back on because it's pretty self-explanatory of taking it off and then putting it back on. So there's a couple tools you'll need. You'll need a socket set or a wrench that's 10 millimeter. You want a plastic trim, basically remover, pin remover or rivet remover. And then basically you just need your hands for a quarter turn screw or pin, needless to say, and you should be good to take off the vehicle. So as long as you follow these steps, you shouldn't have any problems. So as we start here on the driver's side, there'll be 2 rib pushed in rivets, and then you want to go ahead and take out the 10 millimeter bolt right above the plastic trim. This should free up that plastic trim around the wheel. Then you should be able to freely take it out a little bit. You do not have to remove this piece, as it is not a beneficial or restricting part of this process. Then we proceed and do the same thing on the passenger side of the vehicle. This way it frees up both wheel well trims, and you're able to start on the quarter turn rivets underneath, so that way it loosens up the lower fascia of the bumper. So on the bottom middle of the bumper, there is 3 quarter turn rivets, and then there's one on the passenger and the driver's side of the vehicle. And then once you open the hood, there will be 2 plastic car retainer clips, and you should be able to take this out with a plastic trim remover. I do have links for that kit down in the description if you do want to pick one up for yourself. Then I proceed to take out the fog lamps. I do not put it in the video. Take out the passenger and the driver's side fog lamps. Just let them hang. That way it is loose and the bumper is able to freely be removed. Right here I take out the front bumper from where the bolt, the 10 millimeter bolt set, because it kind of sits into that groove, so that way it has a secure position all the time. So you remove it from both sides of the vehicle, then you start pulling up you'll feel like a little click. That will be like 3 or 4 like metal clips within the bumper. Once you have that released, then you just go ahead and pull off the bumper. Now if you have the lower fascia installed, this will be a little bit easier. If you have 2 people, lower fascia was already taken off the vehicle, so I just had the upper portion to be removed, and it was easy to do with 1 person. If you do have any questions, feel free to put them down in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Smash the like button and we'll see you in the next one.